Hey guys! In today's video, we're showing you how to reset your ADP account password. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. Once the user ID is entered, click on Next. Next, enter your account password on the second field. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for recommended actions at the lower right side of the screen. Click on Settings. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for security. Under it is an option that says Change Password. Click on Change Password. On the first field, enter your current password. Next, on the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again in the third field to confirm. After entering all the necessary information, click on Change Password. That's how you reset your ADP account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.